Welcome dear friends, LCP Chemistry Hub YouTube channel. In this particular video session, we deal with chapter number 4, that is chemical kinetics. And in this particular video sessions, we deal with what are the major difference in between order of reaction and molecularity of a reaction. To understand order of reaction and molecularity, we deal with a hypothetical reaction. Consider a hypothetical reaction in which A and B are reactants which are converted into a product that is P. And here small a and small b is stand for stoichiometric coefficient for balanced reaction. For this reaction, what is the rate of reaction? According to rule of mass action, rate of reaction is directly proportional to active mass of concentration of reactant. Otherwise, active concentration of reactant. That means here A and B are reactant. That means rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant A and concentration of reactant B. Here M and N is experimental value and the sum of M and N is known as order of reaction. Here M is stand for order of reaction with respect to A. M is equal to order of reaction with respect to A, and N is stand for order of reaction with respect to B. When you remove this proportionality sign, you get proportionality constant, that is K, and here K is stand for rate constant. K is stand for rate constant. What is the K? K is stand for rate constant, and rate constant does not depend on concentration of reactants. Rate constant is depend on order of reaction. This is the rate of reaction for a hypothetical reaction in which A and B are reactants which are converted into product P. And what is the sum of M and N? Here the sum of M and N is equal to order of reaction. In a rate law expression, the sum of reactants power is known as order of reaction. Now we deal with what are the major difference in between order of reaction and molecularity of a reaction. First of all, we deal with order of a reaction. What is the order of reaction? It is the sum of the powers of the concentration of the reactants in the rate law expression. It is the sum of powers of the concentration of reactants, that means M and N, in the rate law expression. And what is the rate law expression? Rate of reaction is equal to K, and K is stand for rate constant of reaction and concentration of A and concentration of B. Then what is the order of reaction? In simple word, order of reaction is the sum of the powers of the concentration of reactants in the rate law expression. Second thing, order of reaction is determined by experimentally. Order of reaction is a experimental quantity. That means order of reaction is determined by experimentally. It is not a theoretical value. Order of reaction is an experimental value. Third point is order of reaction can be 0 or a fraction. It is not necessary that order of reaction is always a integer number. order of reaction can be 0 or a fraction or in complete integer. The fourth point is order of reaction is applicable to the elementary as well as complex reaction. That means order of reaction is applicable to elementary as well as complex reaction. What is the meaning of elementary reaction? Elementary reactions are those reactions which are completed in a single step. Then reaction is known as elementary reaction. And what is the complex reaction? Complex reactions are those chemical reactions which are completed in more than one step. Then reactions is known as a complex reaction. Elementary reactions is only completed in only one step, whereas complex reactions are completed in more than one step. So we deal with the order of reaction. Now we deal with the molecularity of a reaction. What is the molecularity of a reaction? It is the number of reacting species taking part in an elementary reaction. In simple words, the number of reacting molecules which are taking participate in a chemical reaction are known as molecularity of a reaction. That means it is the number of reacting species taking part in an elementary reaction is known as molecularity. Second point, molecularity of a reaction is a theoretical concept. That means molecularity of a reaction is not determined by experimentally, it is determined by theoretical concept. That means molecularity is a theoretical concept. The third point is, for molecularity, it cannot be 0 or a fraction. Keep it in mind, molecularity neither be 0 nor be a fraction. It is only in a complete integer number, whereas order of reaction can be 0 or a fraction, but molecularity of a reaction cannot be 0 or a fraction. The last point for molecularity of a reaction, molecularity is applicable only for elementary reaction. For complex reaction, it has no meaning. It is important point. Molecularity is applicable only for elementary reaction, whereas order of reaction is applicable to elementary reaction as well as complex reaction. Order of reaction can be 0 or a fraction, but molecularity cannot be 0 or a fraction. Order of reaction is determined by experimentally, whereas molecularity of a reaction is determined by theoretically. That means molecularity is a theoretical concept. And what is the definition of order of reaction and molecularity? Order of reaction, it is the sum of the powers of the concentration of the reactants in the rate law expression, whereas molecularity is the number of reacting species taking part in an elementary reaction. We deal with a hypothetical chemical reaction to better understanding order of reaction and molecularity of a reaction. Let's consider a simple example in which decomposition of ammonia, that means NH3, into dinitrogen and dihydrogen, N2 plus H2. Dinitrogen is gaseous state and dihydrogen is gaseous. What is the physical state of dinitrogen and dihydrogen? Gaseous state. And what is the physical state of ammonia? Ammonia is also lies in gaseous state. And decomposition of ammonia takes place at 1130 Kelvin temperature at the surface of a platinum catalyst. Here in this reaction, platinum acts as a catalyst, and decomposition of ammonia at 1130 Kelvin temperature at the surface of platinum is a example of zero order reaction. It is the example of a zero order reaction. For this reaction, What is the order of reaction? For this reaction, the order of reaction is 0. Order of reaction is equal to 0 because order of reaction is a experimental concept and it is the sum of the powers of the concentration of reactants in a rate law expression. And what is the rate of reaction for this hypothetical equation? Rate of reaction is equal to rate constant, that means K, and concentration of reactant, that means ammonia, power raised to 0, because we know that what is the order of reaction? Order of reaction is the sum of the powers of the concentration of reactants in a rate law expression. And for this reaction is the zero order reaction. That means rate of reaction is equal to K, concentration of ammonia, power raised to 0. And what is the molecularity for this reaction? What is the molecularity? Molecularity meaning the number of reactant molecules which are taking participate in an elementary reaction. How many number of reactants molecule participate in this reaction? So there are 2 molecule of ammonia which are taking participate in a particular reaction. That means for this reaction, decomposition of ammonia at platinum surface, for this reaction molecularity is 2. Molecularity is 2 because 2 molecule of ammonia taking participate in this particular reaction. So we easily deal with what is the order of reaction, what is the molecularity of reaction, and what are the major difference in between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. The important thing is order of reaction is an experimental concept, whereas molecularity of a reaction is a theoretical concept. Molecularity neither be 0 nor be fraction, but order of reaction can be 0 or in fraction. If you like, subscribe this channel and share this your friends and classmates. Thank you.